Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. Let's go through another practical example of stickers in Maverick. This time we have a portable speaker manufactured by the brand JBL. Let's take a look at the stickers that we want to lay over the model. In Photoshop we already have the PNGs we have crafted for this project. Let's place the first sticker by dropping the PNG on the target object. In the drag and drop dialog that will show up, we will select the sticker option. We will use surface mode in the Move tool to place the sticker and then adjust its size. Next we will hide its gizmo and turn the sticker material to plastic. Let's place a sticker for the logo next. We will drop the PNG on the target object and select the sticker option again. And once more we place the sticker, adjust its size, and hide its gizmo. Let's go to the bump node and invert it so the logo is engraved in the object. We will also increase the bump intensity and the blur radius of the texture. This material is almost done, but before we will lower its diffuse weight so it is white but not as bright. You can appreciate how beautiful the engraved logo looks. Let's now add some stickers for the speaker's push buttons. We will use our stickers library, which features plenty of stock images suitable for electronic devices. We will filter by the word power to easily pick the one we are after. Let's drop it on the object, place it and adjust its size. Let's also hide the sticker gizmo and turn the material to emissive. By increasing its intensity we achieve the effect we're looking for. Let's keep adding stickers. This time we will go to the device area in the library. Let's drop a new sticker, place it, adjust its size, hide its gizmo, and accept the changes done in surface mode. To complete the project we need a logo sticker on both sides of the model. We will drop the corresponding PNG, select the sticker option, adjust position and size and then hide the sticker gizmo. We will again change the sticker material to plastic and edit its color. To this end we will unplug the texture from the diffuse slot and then manually choose the right color. We will adjust the material a bit more by changing the blur radius of the bump texture. We will increase the radius and then lower the bump intensity navigating through the new tree view in the Attributes panel. Next in the sticker attributes we will enable Take Roughness from Object Material, so the sticker picks up the anisotropic finish of the underlying object. We want to replicate the logo in the other side of the model. To this end we can duplicate the sticker and then drop it and place it there. Lastly, let's create a sticker with a dotted texture. Let's drop on our object, choose sticker, and adjust position and size. We will again change the material to plastic. This time we may want to adjust the depth parameter so the sticker adapts to the surface. which is curved. We will fine-tune the bump blur and the material. And here is our example complete, with all the stickers we plan to add, placed in their right locations. To wrap this tutorial up, let's take a look at some high-quality renders to enjoy the final result. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.